Hello everyone. Layered therapy is critical for preventing and reversing, whether it be sun damage. All damage on your skin is not from sun. It's also from internal inflammation as well. So what are the other things that you need to be doing synergistic with maximal strength skin, physician skin products that are exfoliating, that are pushing damage off, whether it's from internal inflammation or from sun, life stress, and that is technology. You have to bring technology in as well, if at all possible, at least once a year. Now, what are those things? Because all technology is not equal. They're only as good as the people who do it and how fastidious they are, how good they are with their technology. But IPL, the one we use because it's the strongest one on the market, is Lumecca, and that's from InMode. That's the strongest one. And what is it doing? It's helping get rid of brown spots. It's helping exfoliate much more strongly to get rid of brown spots and the veins that you grow in as a result of the internal inflammation and the damage. Also, look, whether it be Forma, Morpheus, which I'm a huge fan of, you need to be pushing everything off, and you have to have things that penetrate more deeply. Skin products, and then professional peels. Skin products will only penetrate as deeply as they possibly can. Mine penetrate more deeply than anything, so that means they're treating more of the skin more deeply than anything. But then I bring in professional peels. My Retinol Restoration, which is the highest dose of retinoic that's on the market, forces new skin production in a major way. We're doing it on the body. We're doing it on the face, eyelids, neck, and it's full of vitamin A. Vitamin A helps prevent cancer and diseases. And so, and then there's an acid peel as well. But technology, and the right technology, and if you're doing technology and you're not internally healthy and you're not using skin products that work, the technology is not going to work nearly as well. So there's a method to the madness, and we're trying to teach you how to do it correctly so that your trust is not betrayed and your money is not wasted and you are protected. I know this will help. Let us hear from you about how this does help, and thank you very much.